it's time for us to add some flooring materials to our tiny house project. So to do that, all I'm going to do is use a polyline to draw in where I want different flooring materials to be. You should use at least 3 different flooring materials in your tiny house project. I've decided to use carpeting in my bedroom, tile in my bathroom, and hardwood flooring throughout the rest of the house. To get started on this, all I'm going to do is carefully draw a polyline on the inside edges of the drywall around the perimeter of the room. When I get to the door opening, all I'm going to do is go to the corner of the drywall and then down to the center of the jamb board, right across the door opening, so that half of the flooring from the bathroom and half of the flooring from this hallway are under the door. I'm going to carefully work my way right around that room and then just make sure that I end on the exact same point that I started on to create a closed polyline. There it is. That's all filled in, so that's closed right now. All I'm going to do is extrude that 1/16 of an inch towards myself, towards the front. We extruded the slab away from us, so the slab went down. This is going to be extruded 1/16 of an inch towards us, so we're just going to use positive 1/16 to extrude this. And now I've got that floor in the bathroom. Like I said, I'm going to have carpet in my bedroom, hardwood flooring throughout the house, and tile in the bathroom. So what I'm going to do now is just go into the render tab with my floor selected. I'm going to choose the part for the top. And on the top, what I want to do is just put a texture. Now, I've gone through and already searched some textures. You can go into your resource manager and search tile. Some people like to use vinyl sheet flooring. There's all different types of flooring that we can use, but I'm just going to use this tile slate for mine. So that should be applied. When we render that, we can see that I now have flooring material in there. If I click on the other flooring that I've already added, you can see the outline of what I drew for the flooring for the carpeting. Going through the center of the doorway, again, carefully around the outside edges of the drywall, included the carpeting into the closet, and then back to where I started for that carpeting texture. Use 3 different flooring materials in your project that we'll be able to see. Now, it doesn't matter if you've already created some viewports, like the viewport with the roof off, because what will happen is, as soon as I go back to the sheet layer and update the viewports, the flooring will show up in those viewports as well. That's how we're going to add flooring on the inside of this. You can see I've also added some paver tiles for my outside covered porch. That's what we're going to be adding to get the interior of this project finished up.